Hi, my name is Karen Okonkwo, and I'm the co-founder of TONL. TONL is a diverse stock photography business, and basically what we do is we solve the misrepresentation and just lack of diverse imagery online. So one of the local women photographers that really inspires me is Kovios. Victoria is actually fresh out of college, and that hasn't stopped her from developing an awesome skill set. You look at her work, it's editorial, but it's editorial where you can feel the personality of the people in it. You can feel the beauty that she's trying to exude, and you can tell that it's effortless. For her, she uses beautiful lighting in her imagery to really bring out the colors, the skin tones, just overall bringing out the personality of the subject.
My name is Kovios, and I am a photographer. I've been doing photography professionally, 100% freelance for like the last 2 years. I definitely strive to create images that have some sort of timeless feel or something, because I'd like for someone to be able to look on these photos 10, 20 years later and still feel something or remember something specific about the experience. Having someone recognize you and your work for what it is just another hoop that women have to jump through. But we're very persistent and we are strong people, and especially in just the past couple of years, it's kind of incredible. All of the women in various different areas professionally that are just exceeding and surpassing limitations. I think what's exciting is not only that women are pushing past any of these gender limitations professionally, but also that women of color are exceeding. And I'm excited to be a part of rewriting the narrative and hopefully inspiring, younger generations.